Believe it or not, you need to actually induce friction into the enrollment process to maximize cost savings and ROI with digital health programs, and I'll tell you why. If you look at a lot of big box digital MSK solutions, the Hinges and Soars of the world, there's a lot of advertising about the free stuff you get if you do the program. That could be a TENS unit for pain, it could be a tablet device, it could be a gift card, it could be a massage gun. None of these things have any clinical relevance whatsoever. Even the TENS unit for pain is only really needed by a very small proportion of patients or members. So really, they're used to induce enrollment so that you can then participate in the program and complete the program. That is how the digital solution gets paid if you actually complete the program. The problem is that if you have to induce enrollment, you're getting the wrong people. You're not getting the people who really are suffering with that MSK condition and those that are at highest risk for unnecessary utilization. You may get some of them, but you're getting a whole bunch of other folks that don't need the services and don't justify the investment of that program, and that's how you get over enrollment. The second way of inducing enrollment is by spamming the entire covered population, like sending out an email every week or every month to everybody that's covered and just trying to get anybody who's going to sign up and raise their hand. You don't want to do that because, again, you're over-enrolling people that have no symptoms, that are just curious about the process, or have very low-grade symptoms that are self-limiting that don't need an expensive intervention like a whole digital health program. Instead, what you want to do is induce friction first by stratifying the population and identifying based on administrative claims codes for both diagnosis and procedural-based codes, who are those members in the population that are at highest risk for undergoing unnecessary MSK utilization, and you want to target that population. Secondly, you want to have friction in the enrollment process to weed out any member who is just curious or has low-grade symptoms that doesn't want to go through the program. So, for example, the first step of friction is the qualification on the codes basis for who you're going to outreach. The second step is for us at least, is a pretty involved and comprehensive questionnaire that ensures that those with real symptoms and with real needs make it through. And then finally, we have a one-to-one interview with our care team to make sure that you are a good candidate for the program from a symptoms perspective, a need perspective, and a commitment perspective, that you're going to get the most out of the program and therefore result in the highest clinical benefit and cost savings benefit to the health plan.